Today, ERP systems are more important than ever. And when you're dealing with a system that integrates all facets of your business, from people and payroll and financials to manufacturing and sales, the last thing you want is disruption. Today, growing organizations are challenged with a decision to replace aging on-premises applications or retain them for a few more years. Modernizing and transforming can be an expensive, risky program. But inaction could be worse. Having to scale your IT organization up or down to implement new ERP updates or support new initiatives only serves to do one thing: slow you down. Finding talent is hard, hiring and training takes time, and having to deal with new security and service desk contracts every time you change gears is cumbersome. Given these issues, it's not surprising that ERP initiatives can languish for years. Thankfully, there's a way to accelerate innovation and regain your momentum. Rackspace Elastic Engineering for ERP. Take advantage of specialized talent trained to support each element of your ERP initiative, but in an innovative DevOps as a service model. You gain agility to scale up and down as you see fit, depending on what your current initiative needs. You'll have access to the right skills and expert advice at the right time. Flexible hours-based service tiers can help you save on projects. And best of all, you'll only have to deal with one vendor and therefore one contract. Keep your ERP projects and your business moving forward with Rackspace Elastic Engineering for ERP. See how we can help today at rackspace.com/applications/ERP.